Hello my dear student, this is Jatin Panjwani. Today we are going to discuss linear equation in two variable. So this is the class 10th topic. We are discussing linear equation. Linear equation. So linear equation is basically where we have variables in linear form, like in the form of x to the power 1, x raised to power 1, x raised to 1, or like y, like z. So these are the variables. And when we have two equation, like we have linear equation in two variable, for example x plus y is equal to 2, or we have x minus y is equal to 0, like this. Then how to solve these kind of equation? So if we have linear equation in two variable, then we require two equation to verify or to get the value of these variables. To get the value of these variable, we have to simply use three different methods, or we can say that we can use three different methods. So the first method is elimination method. Today I am going to teach you elimination method. So let's start. What is elimination method? To do elimination method, you have to first check the equations are in linear form or not. If they are in linear form, then you have to check the coefficients. Like here you see the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of y is also 1. The coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is minus 1. So we can easily imply elimination method here and we get the answer. What is elimination method? Elimination method simply says us that you have to eliminate one variable and solve for other. When you get the value of other variable, then put the value of that variable in the first equation or second equation and you will get your answer. That is, you will get the value of first variable. So let's see. If simply I add these equation, then adding these equations. On adding these equations, we get 2x, y will be cut out each other, and 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Then x is equal to, this 2 will go in the right side as a divide, 2 upon 2, it will 1. So x is equal to 1 is one of the value. Now we put the value in any of these equation, like we put the value of x plus 1 equal to y into, we put x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1. Then 1 plus y is equal to 2. Simply y is equal to 2 minus 1 and y is equal to 1. Here is the answer for the first question. Now let's see some other questions. So my dear student, you can see a question in the blackboard. So my dear student, you can see a question in the whiteboard. So this is the question. We have to find the value of x and y by elimination method. So how to do this question? Let's see. If simply I add this equation, let is the equation be 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get 12x 5 plus 7 12y is equal to 46 and 50, it will give us 96. Okay, now you can take 12 as a common, x plus y is equal to 96. So x plus y is equal to 96 upon 12, x plus y is equal to 8. And by taking, or I can say by subtracting equation second from equation 1, we get 2x minus 2y, like 7 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2 and 50 minus 46 is equal to 4. From here we get x minus y is equal to 2. Now this is our equation number 3rd, this is our equation number 4th, and now we will solve this equation by simply adding these equations. Okay, so when we add equation 3 to equation 4, we get x plus x, 2x plus y minus y will be cut, and 8 plus 2, 10. Simply x is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 8. So 5 plus y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. So 5 and 3 is the right answer for this question. I hope you understand this question. Now let's see another question. Okay, my dear student, this is another question. Now we will solve this question. How to solve this type of question? Let's see. When we again add equation 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get 7x plus 7y is equal to 42. 20 plus 22 is equal to 42. Now, when we take 7 as common, we get 7 plus. Now, when we get 7 as common, we get 7x plus y is equal to 42. Or simply I can say x plus y is equal to 42 by 7. That is x plus y is equal to 6. On subtracting this equation, what will you get? 3 minus 4 is minus x. 4 minus 3 is 1, so y. And 20 minus 20 is minus 20, minus 2. Simply we get x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 3rd and this is equation 4. Now add equation 3 to equation 4. What we will get? We will get these x plus x, 2x minus y plus y will be cut again, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Simply x is equal to 4 is the answer for the value of x. Now we will solve for y. How to solve for y? Put x is equal to 4 in equation 3. We get x plus y is equal to 6. 4 plus y is equal to 6, and y is equal to 6 minus 4, or y is equal to 2. Here is the answer for another question. Now it's time for a homework question for you. I request you all to solve this question and send me answer in the comment box, or you can also send me answer in the given number below here. So So here is the homework question for all of you. Kindly solve this question and send the answer in the given number below, or you can also comment in this video. So here's the question. All the very best. Keep studying.